Hello my friends, my name is Mohammad Naveed and in this lecture I am going to teach you can. So what is can? In order to learn can, we need to see the usages of can. So let's see the usages. So the usages are ability, request, permission and possibility. Ability, permission, request and possibility, these are the usages of can. Now it's time to see the structure of can. So the structure is here. Now it's time to see the examples. So the examples are, the first example is he can speak English. He can speak English. Oh, definitely this is ability. This is ability. So whenever we need to show our ability, what we will use? We will use can. Second example is they can go there. They can go there. This is also ability. She can ride a bike. She can ride a bike. This is also ability. Getting me? So we use can to show ability. Second we have request. Can you please give? Can you please complete my work? Can you please complete my work? This is request. For example, you are request someone, yaar, can you please complete my work? Can you please complete my work? So whenever we request someone, we use can. Can you please pick up my phone? Can you please pick up my phone? This is also request. Then we have the permission. Can I drink water? Can I drink water? For example, student is asking from his teacher that can I drink water? Definitely this is what? This is permission. So whenever we ask permission, we use can. Then we have the possibility. When we are not sure, we say yes or no. So in order to show the possibility, we use can. The example is he can come today. He can come today. So definitely it is showing the possibility. So why do we use can? We use can to show ability, request, permission and possibility. Now it's time to see the structure of can. So the structure is here. Subject, can, first form verb plus object. What is mean by subject? Subject means doer. It can be me, it can be you, it can be anybody, it can be Naveed, it can be naveedplace.com, it can be my computer. Getting me? So subject can be anyone. Here we have subject, they, she, definitely you, I, he, definitely these all are definite subject. Then we have definitely we use can. Then we have the word first form. What is mean by verb? Verb means a word which is used to indicate act. It's called verb. For example, if I say eat, if I say sit, if I say you can say learn, definitely. So these all words are definitely are indicating act. So any word which define act is called verb. And how many kinds of word do we have? We have 4 kinds of word: first form, second form, third form and fourth form. Here you can see that we have first form. So the first form is speak, go, write, complete, pick up, drink, come. Definitely these all are words. Then we have object. Object is very important. If we don't use object, so we don't get the proper sense. For example, if I say here he can speak, he can speak, if I don't use English, so you will confuse what can he speak. Can he speak Urdu? Can he speak Punjabi? Can he speak Marathi? What? You're definitely confused. But as I'm saying English, so you are no more confused. So object is very important. Object tells us, object tells us the meaning of all the sentence. Getting me? So this was a lecture on can. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplace.com. Allah fi amanillah, and I will meet you in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.